guys, hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Welcome you to Raw Filter. Today I'll gonna unbox and review Seagate Backup Plus Slim 2TB external hard disk. I had bought this product from Amazon. It comes in this package. Let me just show you what's written over there. Seagate brand name and the volume of the drive, that is 2TB, and the model name is Backup Plus Slim. It comes with the rose gold color and it's really very slim. And there is also written that if I bought this product before July 2017, then I could get around 200 plus GB in one drive for almost 2 years, but unfortunately I just ordered it very recently, so I didn't get this one. And it just cost around rupees 6000, and it is comparable with almost each and every operating systems like Windows 7 or higher. For Mac it's 10.9 or higher, for iOS version it's 8 or higher, and for Android 3.0 or higher version. It's really very easy to back up all your data from whether it's been from laptop or desktop or even mobile or even from cloud storage. We could store those directly to this drive, and there's nothing written on that side. And at the bottom there's some, okay, let me just check the focus. Okay, in the bottom one some information and barcode for the product information, and it comes with the 3 years limited warranty. Okay, so let's just unbox it. Okay, so it seems like there is also another packet of plastic inside this package. And okay, just got the product. Okay, we got some documentation at the back side, and it's about the product and warranty services. So please make sure to read all the documents before using the product. And let's just keep it aside and check what else in the box. Okay, we got the drive, external hard disk, 2TB external hard disk of Seagate. Okay, holy smokes, it looks so lightweight and it looks so slim. It's around 120 grams. Oh my god, and it looks so cool. Okay, we got their USB cable to connect this drive with to the laptop or PC. It is compatible with USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 both. Okay, let's just keep it aside and unwrap it. Okay, this product is wrapped with plastic packaging. Let's just unwrap it. Holy smokes, it looks so cute. At the top corner we got LED indicator, and at the bottom we got Seagate branding. At the back side we got a bigger logo of Seagate branding, and at the bottom we got some information regarding this product. Okay, let's just connect it with my laptop and show you the actual space available to use this drive. Before that, I just give you some information. It's just 5.1 inch in size diagonally and 50 mm in width. It's really very slim and you know, lightweight. So just check this out. Okay, it's just around 1.81 TB out of 2 TB is usable. And that's it, guys. Like if you guys like this video, please give a big fat thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section below. The link of the product is given in the description below. You can directly purchase from the Amazon from that link, and I'll see you in the next one.